VEVOR asked me to take a look at this product and make this short video. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. And what we have here is a utility cart. And this is a very sturdy cart. It's almost, it's as strong as a workbench. You see that nothing flexes on it because it's all reinforced. It's that kind of plastic that feels like a fiberglass mix. So it's very durable. It's got a nice feel to it. There's a lip around the edge, so if you spill something on it here, it's going to get caught in that trough and won't spill off to the sides. It's got a cup holder here, various slots and pockets to hold different tools. The casters are nice. They're pretty large, and they've got a good rubber bottom to them so that they handle bumps and stuff quite well. The front two pivot in a circle, and they have a brake. The back two are fixed. And this is important. So if you have a heavy load on this and you are dragging this thing through the building, the back end won't fishtail out on you. It'll be nice and straight because of those two casters are fixed. The legs here that hold it up have some slotting here, so you can attach some things if you'd like to the outside. You could even put a shelf or two on the inside because there's some ledges here that would be useful to be able to set another piece of material going across to give you another shelf if needed. Bottom tray has got a lip all the way around it that comes up a couple inches. Very sturdy all around. If you have to lift this up to put it in your truck, it's not a problem. It's not too heavy, but it's just a very rigid and robust commercial style cart. So I definitely recommend it. It's so handy to have things like this around so you can move your workbench, take it with you, have your tools on here, and not worry about putting anything down. And being able to roll it around makes it even easier. So hey, I hope that helps learn a little bit more about this utility cart, and I hope you have a great day.